So welcome to lesson 1 of module 2. In this lesson we'll take a look at what does Microsoft Excel really mean, and then what is Excel used for. So first, by definition, Microsoft Excel is a software program produced by Microsoft Corporation that allows users to organize, format, and calculate data using formulas within the spreadsheet system. So the key things here, or key terms, are organizing your data, formatting, and then calculating. To explain further, Excel is a commercial spreadsheet application produced and distributed by Microsoft for Windows and Mac operating systems. It features the ability to perform basic calculations, use graphing tools, create pivot tables, and macro programming language as well. Excel has the same basic features as every spreadsheet, which primarily uses a collection of cells arranged into rows and columns. And these rows and columns are used to organize data and then eventually manipulating that data to suit your requirement. They also use data as charts, histograms, line graphs, pie charts, and so forth. Microsoft Excel permits users to section data so as to view various factors from a different perspective. So moving on to some of the advanced capabilities of Excel within this particular definition, Visual Basic is used for applications in Excel, allowing users to create a variety of complex numerical methods. So using Visual Basic as a programming language, programmers are given an option to code directly using the Visual Basic editor, including Windows for writing code, debugging, and code module organization. So in essence, to start off, Microsoft Excel really is about organizing, formatting, and calculating data within the spreadsheet, which is made up of rows and columns. And we'll take a look at in subsequent lessons as to what that really means and some of the Excel terminology. Alright, next I'm going to talk about what is Excel used for. Among several uses, some of the primary ones in business scenario is scheduling. So businesses can create basic employee and resource schedules with Excel that can be color coded and designed to automatically update as the schedule changes. For instance, you can create weekly worksheets with column headings of each day and name the rows based on hourly slots or work shifts. Basic accounting use of Excel. Small businesses often use Microsoft Excel as a basic accounting program or checkbook ledger. You can enter deposits and expenditures onto each row of the sheet as you will enter them into the check register. Another use is product sales. You can track product sales using Microsoft Excel on a daily, weekly, monthly, or quarterly basis. Collecting the sales data onto the Excel spreadsheet lets you compare progress over time. Return on investment. You want to be able to track your profitability, for instance. Total business sales in dollars along with total advertising and marketing expenditures. With Excel allows you to see your return on investment for each campaign. So essentially, we took a look at the definition of Microsoft Excel and then some of the uses as well. And with this, let's move to our next module in which we'll take a look at some of the basic Excel terminology.